So first of all, huge congratulations, and you have huge victory from your constituency with a very beautiful margin. So आज कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर का इंडक्शन किया गया था, आपको नहीं मिला गया. Are you somehow disappointed with the Pema Khandu led government?
अच्छा, मैं बताना यही चाहूँगा कि जो अभी कैबिनेट का गठन हुआ है, ये सीएम का प्रेरोगेटिव है. ऑनरेबल सीएम अपने विजडम में उन्होंने 12 मिनिस्टर्स इंक्लूडिंग हिम का आज शपथ ग्रहण किया है. तो देयर इज नथिंग टू बी डिससेटिस्फाइड. व्हाट इज देयर टू बी डिससेटिस्फाइड? इट इज प्रेरोगेटिव ऑफ द सीएम. 12 मंत्री एनर्जेटिक, इंटेलेक्चुअल, नॉलेजेबल बनाए हैं, कंप्राइजिंग ऑल द ट्राइब्स मिला के. तो इसमें मतलब इतना बढ़िया मंत्रिमंडल मेरे हिसाब से इससे बेहतरीन, इससे अच्छा मंत्रिमंडल बनाना संभव नहीं था. बहुत अच्छा मंत्रिमंडल है. एंड वी ऑल वर्क टू सर्व पीपल एक्चुअली. नोबडी इज बॉदर्ड अबाउट विच पोस्ट यू गेट, विच पोस्ट यू डोंट गेट. हम सब, हमारा काम है जनता का सेवा करना, है ना. यू डोंट रन आफ्टर पोस्ट एंड ऑल. यू हैव टू public has given you a mandate to serve your constituency. You have to serve the constituency. तो I don't think there is anything to be मतलब ऐसे भी मैं तो एक first timer हूँ, so doesn't make any difference to me.
So Taupin sir, you've been in the arena of politics for years together. You have come to limelight this time in 2024 election, and then we've been following you. You are a good orator. So what the people of your constituency can expect a remarkable change in your constituency?
See, I have not been in politics for very long. I contested in 2019, and I lost during that time due to circumstances which were beyond my control. And then after losing, I worked hard. I was in touch with the people of my constituency. In sad times, in happy times, I was in touch with them. So people of my constituency rewarded me. They gave me a thumping majority. So there is nothing, or जहाँ तक development is concerned, it cannot be specific to, you just cannot concentrate on one aspect. I have 24 polling booths in my constituency. So each booth has its own problem which is typical to its place. So just constituency में what problem is there? Supposing in one constituency there could be an issue of road network. In one constituency there could be a problem of electricity. In one constituency there could be a flood prone area maybe. So each place has its own unique problem. So you have to take all the problems सभी को एक साथ करके you have to move along, and all the problems जहाँ पे जो जरूरी है we'll take it up as it comes along.
Taupin sir, when we look into the political leaders in Arunachal Pradesh, you are counted as one of the intellectual political leader, a very good orator, as I've been stating again and again. So sir, I have a very prominent and profound question based on in concern to women and the child welfare, and what could be done in your constituency in regards to the same, particularly in regards to women and child.
To start with, I want to congratulate the woman in the cabinet, Madam Dasanglu Pul, which is a very nice beginning. We have a woman in the cabinet. It's so nice that Honorable CM has inducted a woman in the cabinet. So it's a very good going as far as the cabinet is concerned. As far as women's issues in my constituency is concerned, see, women issues are it has been ingrained since time immemorial that these issues are there with in a society somehow. That woman emancipation will take place slowly, and I will look into that women are given equal rights as males, so that they are not discriminated. So what steps we can take since we have a male dominated society. So जैसे कि for example in panchayat elections and all, I can encourage women in giving tickets and in contesting elections and all. So that way women will be emancipated, and there are so many aspects which I have in mind. I cannot divulge everything today. Let time come and you will know.
So I have one closing question for you that might be a little bit skeptical. So, sir, when we look into the political scenario of entire northeastern region, they usually like get aligned with the party whichever comes to power in the center. So there is little bit like there's some a little bit shuffle in the central government. So I think you are much aware about that. So if the opposition party, the INDI, in 6 months comes into power in center, will you still stick to the BJP government, or there's a probability of you of changing your party? I have put forward this question to every cabinet ministers.
I am telling you right now, before your audience, this government led by Honorable Prime Minister Modi will run its course of 5 years. There won't be any change. It will easily carry on. The coalition government, NDA government, will complete its 5 years. So question of if or but, kintu parantu doesn't come at all. Okay, I'm quite confident. Don't worry, it will run its full course.
Sir, any closing remarks for the public? Especially,
I would like to appeal to the people of my constituency that our constituency has been bereft of development for the last 10-15 years, and I have come now, and I'll try my level best. मैं कोशिश करूँगा जितना हो सकेगा to जितना development उन्नति में लेके I'll try my level best, so that Alo, which was once upon a time one of the premier towns of Arunachal, regains its past glory, in tandem with Alo East MLA, who is Kento Juni, who is a minister now. I want to congratulate him also. So we'll work together and try to let Alo regain its past glory. Thank you.
thank you, sir, for joining with the network.